In this video, I'll show how to share the link to your landing page in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to your landing page. Now, if you have a lot of campaigns, as you can see in here, I also have a lot of campaigns. To find your landing page, head over to the top. At the top of the table, you will see these filters. Click on the drop down for type. And at the bottom, simply choose landing page. Once you do that, it should refresh the page and you will see all of your landing pages. Now, let's say I want to share my landing page, as you can see in here. So on the right-hand side, simply click on View Report. A new tab will open, and in here, it should be your landing page. So once you have your landing page at the top, you will automatically find the URL. Now, in order for you to send this or to share your link, just simply highlight the end until the start or the start and the end and press on Ctrl+C to copy. What you can also do is right-click and click on copy. And once we paste this on a new tab, let's say in here, and we click on enter, it will automatically take you to the landing page. And as you can see, it is also interactive. Now, what you can also do is simply click the URL in here, and you will see that it will be the exact same thing as the link in which you have pasted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.